OpenAI Codex installs a localized engine directly onto your machine, allowing the AI to interact with your computer's internal file system. Over the next 6 minutes, we will install the application, link it to a folder of raw files for organization, and configure an autonomous system to triage your daily emails. While standard web-based models keep your work in the cloud, Codex is a local application. Every document, spreadsheet, or infographic it creates is written directly onto your own hard drive. To begin, you need your computer, a folder of unorganized files to test the system, and an active ChatGPT subscription. Processing data on your own hardware means your files stay within your local environment, rather than being uploaded to a remote cloud server. To get started, visit chatgpt.com/codex and download the installer. Drag the application into your folder, then use Spotlight to search for and launch Codex. Upon launching, click Continue with ChatGPT. This will open your default browser to authenticate your account, which includes Codex at no additional cost for subscribers. Once signed in, you'll face an onboarding questionnaire. Your answers here dictate how the AI prioritizes its logic and formats its responses. Unless you are a programmer, avoid selecting engineering or product development. Choosing these roles forces the system into a technical coding mode. Instead, select a role like marketing or student to keep the outputs focused on everyday knowledge work. If the app asks to import settings from other agents, click Skip. We want to start with a fresh configuration to ensure the system behaves predictably. Setting these specific role constraints at the start is what converts a high-level coding engine into a practical assistant for administrative tasks. Codex uses projects to stay organized. These are direct links between the AI and specific folders on your computer. We'll start by adding a new project and selecting a folder containing raw travel receipts. Set the model to GPT 5.5 and intelligence to medium. Then ask it to create an Excel spreadsheet categorizing every receipt with a breakdown of expenses and total cost. You don't need to open Microsoft Excel to see the result. The completed file appears immediately in the built-in viewer inside the Codex side panel. To verify the file's location, click the arrow icon and select Open in Folder. This reveals the new Excel file sitting natively within your local receipts directory. Having direct access to your file system removes the need to copy-paste data back and forth between a browser and your desktop software. For more complex tasks, use the voice dictation tool. We'll ask Codex to visit a specific URL to analyze a website's branding and generate a markdown kit in a new project folder. While the AI works on that website analysis, type /pet to summon the desktop pet. This companion monitors the process so you can minimize the app and work in other windows. Watch the pet for visual cues. It will show a notification bubble for network access permission, and a green circle will appear once the kit is finalized. To save time later, we can turn these results into a skill. Instruct Codex to save this brand kit as a reusable command called onBrand. In the future, you just type /onBrand to apply these styles to any new project. We can also automate communication. If you ask Codex to triage your email, mentioning the word Gmail will trigger a plugin installation prompt. Click through the permissions to link the AI to your inbox. Once the connection is active, instruct the system to run this triage process and draft your replies every morning at 9 a.m. Combining local file access with scheduled plugins creates an environment where your machine handles repetitive administrative tasks without manual intervention. We have now established a localized engine that can organize physical files, store custom style commands, and execute a daily inbox sweep autonomously. You can scale this setup by adding more plugins from the library, such as Canva for design work or Google Drive for managing shared cloud assets. If you want to see how to use these tools for advanced computer control or automated video generation, let me know in the comments. Natively embedding AI into your desktop enables the software to manipulate your local files and applications, automating the specific manual steps of your daily workflow.